Okay, so I know this is already the makeup look, but just to let you know, the sun has been like so bipolar today, so it probably is gonna be sunny, then not sunny, then bright, then dark, and then at the last minute I just realized it, so sorry. But yeah, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, it's your girl Jules here today. So I did a poll on Instagram to see what you guys would want to see, and I did post that I haven't did a makeup video in a long time, so a lot of you asked for a makeup video. So we're gonna do like the quarantine get ready with me type of video. Just know, like, there's not a lot of stuff to do because I have been testing out how to do the, you know, model way that I've been seeing on Instagram, and I only use tinted moisturizer. So this one is from ColourPop Pretty, the Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer. This is basically the only thing I use for my face. I stopped using powder to matten because this just works perfectly fine for me. And yeah, so we're gonna get started. Like I said, it's the minimalist thing that I can ever do. But yeah, I like to shake it because, you know, you gotta shake your foundation. But yeah, we're gonna start with foundation. So we're gonna start with the foundation. I put some here, and I got my beauty blender. And guys, I haven't worn foundation in a very long time because I've been trying to do this all natural look, and I've been loving my all natural look lately because it's, you know, it has saved my skin a little bit more. But from what I've seen that people do, I just put it on my eye, go upwards, and then I'll take a little bit more, do the other side. So basically I just go like this underneath my eye to just, you know, give a little bit more highlight, and then on top to do like a little primer. Don't worry, I use my coconut primer already on my face, so we are okay. And then it's a lot different that you notice, and if you want to, like sometimes I do, I just hack it as much as I can to reduce it, but I don't like too much foundation. And then I'll just go back a little bit, like I just go back and forth. I don't put like a bunch because, you know, that's a waste of foundation. And yo girl, foundation is expensive. Like, people don't get it. Like, foundation is an expensive item, and we can't be wasting foundation up in this bitch. Like, one foundation can cost like 40 bucks. Nobody got time for it. And what I do is basically just go all over my face. So I'll be right back with the finishing touches. After that, we're gonna go with shade and light palette from Kat Von D. I like the Shadow Play highlighter. This is my first actual one, but all I do is bronze up the skin because, you know, we don't have any sun in New York right now, and we can't be going outside because of Corona. So we need to fake our tan for the summer until it is okay to actually go to the beach. They opened the beach, but my thing is, y'all know Rona's out there and it's not completely gone, and there's still people like Memorial Day who got actually sick because they went to the beach and someone had the Rona. So yeah, we're trying to, you know, be precautious. So yeah, we're just gonna pretend we have a contour, and I like to contour my nose too because that nose contour comes in clutch, and you look like we're tan. It's not exaggerating. Don't worry. And what I do is I put it the rest of the back of my hand and then blend. It's kind of easy to do. And just blend everything. For eyebrows, I grab I kind of blend in little brow sculpt thing with the brush. And what I do is I just grab this. I don't do that much with my eyebrows when I do like an all natural look. So all I do is flick it up to give it a feathery effect. And I just keep flicking it up. You see how the difference is? And then I'll do the same thing to this one. This is a like all natural tan golden type of simple look. I just feather my eyebrows, especially when I don't have time to like actually do the extra mile. So I just go up and feather it all the way up. Some models do it like this, but this is amazing. You guys should get this. And now for the eyes, I do love my Urban Decay Petite Heat palette, and I do use Wild Thing in hiatus at the same time. But today we're just gonna do a little smoke eyeliner look. I haven't done an eyeliner in a while, so we're gonna have to take a little bit of time with this. I don't know if I should go with a Wild Thing, but I probably am gonna mix both of them, to be honest with you. I can't pick anything for dear life, so just basically do an eyeliner. There's no explaining anything else. So we did the eyeliner, and now we're gonna go with the blush, which I use the same brush as the the bronzer. I stack it up and then just go together. I also put it on my nose because I do like the effect. And when I do want it, I pack it on. It gives it like a nice tannish look, so I'll just do it times all over my face. So now what I do is I go with the cocoa powder, because the coconut palette from ColourPop. I use literally palm reader. Put it on my finger. This shit packs on. So what I do, put it like that, lightly, and then put it in the inner corner. And then to make it tone it down a little bit, because this thing is really, really strong. So I just patted the tear duct of my eyes. There we go. There you go. And if you want it less, you can just grab this and tone it down a little bit more. And after that, we're going to go with our Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, which I freaking love the most. Put some spray on this, pack it on, and then do the points of my. I forgot how much highlighter is amazing. I literally forgot how it is. And then boop, boop, boop. the nose, and I do sometimes the tip of my finger here. And then I'll just spray my mist, which, to be honest, I have a little bit, so I'll just do this. Keep it hydrated, and then I just fan because it's an easier process, to be honest with you. So after that is done, I did put my mascara off, the Bad Girl Tarte mascara bang. And then for lips, I sometimes vary in the lips because this is a simple look. But today I'm going to put the Lippy Balm from the ColourPop Coconut Local Cocoa Collection on the lid, just to make it a little bit shinier. That's what basically I do. But if you do, I got the MAC lip gloss. I don't remember the name, but I do have the Spice one, so you can try that. But it's good to have your natural lip color just a little bit more shinier. And then that's basically it for the get ready with me. So guys, this is the makeup look. If you guys like it, you can subscribe, comment, and like. Everything will be in the description below. This is a simple get ready with me because I ain't going nowhere, literally nowhere. So yeah, just put on my little tiny t-shirt and, you know, your hair in a ponytail or a bun, whatever you want, and you're done. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Subscribe, comment, and like. Everything in the description. Instagram, Twitter, whatever you would like, follow me there. And I'll catch you guys next time. Deuces.